roasting vegetables. You know, roasting the vegetables gives you a lot of flavor and leaves you free to do other things. In the oven, they concentrate, they caramelize, the water evaporates from the vegetables and intensifies the sweetness. And today, we will do asparagus. What's important about, especially asparagus in there, they're not a big vegetable, but that they all be the same size. Because otherwise, if you put them in for the same time, one will get over dry and one will be perfect. There's a beautiful choice of asparagus, but we chose this nice and plumpy green asparagus for today. And I'm looking at this, and usually the bottom fourth part of the asparagus is the tough part. And I also like to just peel off with a potato peeler the base of the asparagus just to make sure that it is nice and tender when you cut into it. Okay, so here we are. So, just a little bit of seasoning. Salt and oil. Roasting them with plain olive oil is great. At the end, we'll add up some cheese, and that will make them crunchy and add that extra flavor. So let's kind of coat them all just like that. Let's get them back into line. So these are all ready to go in the oven, a hot oven, 450 degrees. That's hot because we want to caramelize. We want quick cooking. We don't want them to stay in there forever. And we'll just leave it in there, and then we'll add the cheese. How long? 15, 20 minutes, depends on the size. I love it when you guys come to my social media and ask Lidia questions. Here, Andrew Smith from New Jersey asks, I often make my baked veggies dishes too dry. How do I fix this? Well, you have to pay attention at the size, that they're all the same size, and you have to pay attention to the veggies in the oven. Mix them, stir them, and take care of them. If they're really a little bit too dry, add a few tablespoons of water. But just pay attention, stir them, and bring them out at the right time. I think they're ready for the cheese now. Ah, they certainly are. Line them up a little bit and just put the cheese right. All right, so this is ready to go. Slide them back in, leave them in for 5 minutes, nice and crispy, and they're done. Today, you know, I still kind of have my little garden, and I must say Grandma's garden, if we will, and because I want to kind of emulate. I want to teach the next generation, my children, my grandchildren, what I've learned, how to grow food, how to harvest it. It is so important to get those children involved at a young age. I think the asparagus are ready. Wow. This looks good. And you can see the asparagus have caramelized, the cheese has caramelized, delicious. And you know what? I need to taste this. So let's see which one. Maybe I'll pick, this one looks nice and caramelized and good. And I'm gonna cut it in small pieces just like that. And I'm gonna collect all of these pieces of cheese. I'm gonna bring it in my corner right here. Oh, well. This is a mouthful of asparagus, but you know what? I can handle it. Crunchy, sweet cheese, simple, beautiful.